Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a Google Forms public but not editable. So here I've already opened the Google Forms page, and then I'm going to start by creating a new form. For example, I'm going to just create this blank quiz form. So here is the form, and if you want to make it public, you can go to the settings in here first, then click on the drop down under the responses, go down, and in here you need to make sure that the require sign in here to the limit to one response is off. You're off like this so that anyone can open this form even if they don't have a Gmail or Google account yet. So after that, you can just click on a send button, click on this link, copy, then you can share it to the respondents. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on